One time for the draft, you already know what it is. Look.
Swinging through the city with my bae, that's my main thing. Had to switch it up, had to switch, had to change that. Swinging through the city with my bae, that's my main thing. Had to switch it up, had to switch, had to, yeah.
I done came down, had to pull up on you, had to tell you how much it mean to me. Girl, you know it's true, I ain't got a lot of dollars in my pocket, but my heart is what you put your stock in. I don't need no other options. Baby, won't you come and hop in? We can take the...
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today, not only are we trying some color, but we are trying LUVMEHAIR. I've seen so much about this company and their undetectable lace, and y'all, I'm finally trying it out. So I cannot wait to see how this unit turns out. The lace on the units that I've seen on other girls looks so great. It does come with eyelashes, which is awesome. Mine also came with this cute little clip. I didn't actually try it out on the unit that I was wearing because I didn't feel like it really flowed with the outfit and the finished result, but that's so cute. I love it. And then this is the unit, guys. The unit that I'm going to show you all from LUVMEHAIR is this chestnut brown ombre beautiful glueless lace runnel unit, and y'all, the color I am so in love with. It looks so good against my skin tone, and I felt like the lipstick that I'm wearing would complement this hair really nicely. This is what the hairline looks like. This particular unit does actually come with an elastic band, and it is the old school method of sewing on elastic band that they've done. It's not a detachable band, which is perfectly fine. And y'all, I could not wait to try out this unit just to see what it would look like, and also if it was going to fit really snug, because I was wondering if I could actually wear it glueless. It does come with a middle part, but I am going to decide to switch the part. I wanted a side part for this unit, and I'm also going to refine the curls later. The curls that it comes with are rather effortless, and they do look nice, but I wanted to define them more. So the parting space, you do get 4 inches of parting, and it is pre-plucked, but I did feel like I needed to tweeze the hairline a little more. So now I'm going to put the unit on my mannequin head so that you all can see a close-up and personal view of what it looks like. This hairline, as you can see, it is pre-plucked, but minimal work has been done. I'm going to turn it over to tint the lace. Now, what I will say about this lace is that it's very good quality lace. However, it needs to be tinted. Those who are lighter skin tones, you're going to be perfectly fine. I've seen individuals install these units and it looks so good, but they're usually a lighter skin tone. But someone who's darker like me, you're going to have to tint the lace. And I feel like even with the Sally Hansen, it could have been refined a bit more. And I do have a lace tint that I recently got that I'm going to try out on other units. It probably would have been a perfect opportunity to try it on this unit because I felt like it would have been so much better. But the Sally Hansen airbrush spray did work fairly well. So just now I just smoothed everything out so that I can see the hairline a little more. And I'm just going to tweeze until I get it to the desired look. And then we're going to move on to the next step.
Hey, can you just chill, bro? It's just a draft. Hey.
I can't help but this, can't help but move. When I look at you, when I look at you, I can't help but this, can't help but move. When I look at you, when I look at you, the way that you move, baby wanna get on my feet, step into the groove. Shawty come closer to me, stick to me like glue. I ain't really grow up dancing, but I might take my chances. Guess I'm gonna take my chance, just take them on you.
This feel like...
And it's impact in the back of a Cadillac with an 8-track in a backpack on a dash playing Bernie Mac.
Oh, I like the sound of that.
I can't help but dance, can't help but move. When I look at you, when I look at you.
All right, y'all, now it's time to test the unit out to see if we can actually wear it glueless. So I'm going to put the unit on, making sure that the elastic band is wrapped around the nape of my hairline, and then pull it all the way forward. And as you all can see, this unit would be so perfect for an individual who does not have a low hairline. It almost fit me perfect. I have like a little area on the side that's still peeking out, but it could have worked. And I was like, man, I need companies to customize these hairlines a little more for us low hairline girls, because I always have issues. And as you all can see, the lace doesn't match my skin tone perfectly just yet. We're still going to have to modify it later, but I'm going to show you all how I do that. But you can wear it glueless. So that's really awesome. This will be a great everyday unit. You don't have to worry about doing much work at all. Now, the knots are not bleached, so that's something that you would also have to take care of. I also decided to tweeze the hairline a little more just above my forehead because I felt like that area looked a little bulky and could have been tweezed out a bit more than it was. So I just quickly tweezed that. I didn't do a whole lot of work, but I just did that. And then after doing that, I decided to create a little bit of baby hair just to conceal that area where you see my hairline peeking out. So when you guys say things about baby hair, now I love baby hair and I probably would wear baby hair just naturally, especially when I wear my natural hair units. But with a unit like this, for someone like me with a low hairline, this is how I adjust or modify the unit so that it works for me and you're not seeing any of my hairline. So the baby hair is necessary.
When you said that we was finished, was that truth or lie?
Okay, so at this point, I was deciding if I was going to wear it completely glueless or actually decide to lay it down with some form of adhesive. I did decide to go with the bed head, but I do want to show you guys how you can wear this unit glueless and not have to worry about it flapping on the side. So I'm getting in closer so that you all can see. I'm going to cut a slit in the lace right in the center, like right in the middle where my ear meets, and that's going to allow for it to fall where it needs to. And the lace that's still kind of not where it needs to be and there's kind of still some bulk there, I'm just going to cut around my ear to ensure that that's no longer there and it fits perfectly over the round area of my ear. So that's going to cause it to lay flatter. And then I'm going to cut off the excess lace that's still there in the area where my sideburns are. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to complete the process of showing you all how I curl the hair and everything and showing you all it completely glueless. And then I'm going to begin using the bed head to secure it down.
Yeah. Tell me all the things that keep you up at night. Crying in your pillow, hoping they can't hear you. You know I am not the type to criticize. All these dudes up in your DM act like you don't see them. Online you Santa Maria, but inside you bleeding. Look, I know you try to live your life. You was never good at picking sides, but I've been going places without you. I cannot stop thinking about us and all the things we could have been. Wishing we could reminisce. I've been going places without you. I cannot stop thinking about us and all the things we could have been. Wishing we could reminisce. Wishing we could reminisce. Why you run away from me? I hate to talk to play catch up. Now it's feet going down the street. In your crib, I don't ever go. My heart a home that you left empty. And I know I should let it go, but then I'll drown cause I'm in too deep. Now I'm up late in the nighttime on your IG for the nighttime. I can't believe what it came to. All the time spent apart, does it phase you? I've been going places without you. I cannot stop thinking about us and all the things we could have been. Wishing we could have memories I can't forget. I've been going places without you. I cannot stop thinking about us and all the things we could have been. Wishing we could reminisce. Wishing we could reminisce. Go on and get your head right. Go and get your head right. Get your
Y'all, I really want to know what y'all think about this color. This color is just so beautiful and the hair curled so nicely. So now I'm going to put it on after I've already prepped the curls and also laying the baby hair and everything so you all can see what it looks like glueless. Now I'm not going to actually finger comb the curls or anything before I lay it down, but you guys will get a sense of what it looks like glueless, curled, and everything. So y'all let me know what y'all think about it like this. I love that this was a unit that you could wear glueless. That's so cool. But if you wanted to also secure it down with some form of adhesive, we're going to be using the bed head, and I've told you guys how awesome that stuff is. Y'all can see how I'm hyped. It's so cute. But now I'm going to show you all. Oh, but before I do that, look, this is, you can see nothing's done yet. No, got to be glue, bed head, nothing. And it fit really flush to my head, so I was really impressed by that. Now I'm going to lay it down using the bed head so you all can see how this was done. It was a really easy install doing it this way. So you guys try the bed head if you haven't already. It's really a good way to do it mess free, and you don't necessarily have to be perfect in the way that you do it. So I'm just spraying it down, pulling the lace down over where I sprayed it, and then just blow drying that area on the cool setting. That's literally it.
Lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately, I've been wondering if you could be mine forever.
Now that we've laid the lace down, I'm going to proceed to modify the lace so that it blends better and it matches my skin tone better. So I'm going to do so just using my foundation. I'm just going to put a little dot, not too much, and I just placed it just before the start of the lace and then just blended it out with my foundation brush. And after completing this process, feel free to set everything using a holding spray, or you can go back in with the bed head.
See, you was like, God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running. Let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation.
Alright y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial on seeing how you can wear this unit glueless, as well as using bedhead in order to install it. As for this lace, I will say that it could potentially be undetectable depending upon the color of your skin tone. If you're lighter skin tone, it's going to match you very well, but if you're darker skin tone, you are going to have to do some customization like you saw me do in this video. But this is a beautiful unit. Be sure to check the description box for all the links and specifications. I cannot wait to hear what you all think about it, especially this color, y'all, because it's so bomb. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.
You just need your vacation.